What's up, YouTube? Let's get high again. And this time, we're gonna be reviewing the Humboldt family farms. And this time, we're gonna be trying their Mandarin. I don't know. Sometimes it won't get. Maybe because of the brightness of this shit. Fresh Rosin Mandarin hybrid. And it's grown in sunshine, Humboldt Family Farms, legendary cannabis. And I've had their papaya, and I had to buy their papaya twice. So I tried their papaya, then I bought their papaya again, and I smoked it already. So I have this one and I have another one, but we're gonna be doing the reviews on this one. And let me see, it's 67% THC, 0.23% CBD. Cannabinoids is 72.71%. That's 727 milligrams and 676 milligrams of THC. Let's see if I can get it. Yep, can't get it. But we're gonna get into this and see if this one's a banger too. I really like their papaya. Their papaya was a smacker, bro. So I had to buy it again, and immediately I got on it, and I smoked it. It's really, really good. So and then I had their flower. Their flower was oh my, white lining, I think it was, and it was good. It was good. It was really good. It was the their flower was as good as their rosin, and yeah, I'm really happy with Humble. That's why I bring you guys another review, because so far it's been good. You know, I haven't had no issues with it. So we gonna try this Mandarin hybrid, and yeah, we gonna get into it, and hopefully it's a banger, just like that Nasha earlier was. That shit had me on. That shit was a smacker as well. And yeah, we're gonna get into this. And if you guys know any top quality, like some gas type of brands that you guys want me to try out, we could do that too. Just make sure it's some gas, like some gas, you know. And we could try that out, and do a little review. And hopefully you guys do, though. Hopefully you guys do give me some brands, because like I said, I've always been willing to try something, you know. As long as it's some fire, because I just want to smoke some fire, you know. We're gonna open this up and go figure it out. Buttery. Hope it's buttery. It always has a crazy look. The papaya, but it smells. I don't know if it's the indoor, but every time, I mean, not indoor, my bad. The sun grown, and maybe it is because it's sun grown, but it has that funky smell to it. That good, that funky smell to it. It does really does have it to it, though. It has a funky, funky, funky smell. And citrusy. You can smell the citrus. But the funky smell is just... We're gonna get into this. And yeah, we're gonna hit it. And this light I be hating it sometimes. Let's hit this shit. It does taste citrusy. I can see why they named it Mandarin. You have that sweet Mandarin aftertaste to it. Tastes really good. I like it when it's not it's real fruity but gassy at the same time. I just like how it's gassy, but when you're letting it out, you could you could taste the Mandarin, the sweetness to it. But while it's kicking your ass, while it's hitting your face, making you feel hot, and that's what I'm always searching for, something that just rocks your whole body. Yeah, really, really good. It's really, really good. It's something I will enjoy smoking. Um, it doesn't have a basic or something that it has a little unique taste to it. It has a when you're letting it out, a sweetness to it, but gassy at the same time. You'll taste the gassiness that you'll be like, okay, I've tasted this gassiness before. But when you're letting it out, there's just something sweet about it. Something sweet where you do get hints of Mandarin, the citrusy type. It's pretty good, man. Pretty good. Humboldt Family Farms. Really good product. This their second one. Well, actually the third jar I opened, but their second strain smells delicious. Smells really, really good. The texture, the consistency on it, it's really, really good as well. I like it how it looks like they were just like little dookies. They were just dookie nugs on it. You really trip out on it. See that? Yeah, that's really cool. But but yeah, man, we gonna get into some other stuff until next time. I'm high as hell. It rocked me. Um, but yeah, until next time. like I said, if you guys have any other brands that you guys want me to try out, I'm in California. I'm in the Bay Area. If you guys, if you guys want me to try anything out, want me to cop something, I'll go and copy it and we'll try it out. Um, but today we tried the Nasha was first, and this was a smacker as well. Highly recommend this and the Humboldt Family Farms. They were both smackers. I really enjoyed them. It's something that I'm a be smoking on, and every time I hit it, for sure I'm gonna enjoy it. Both of them have unique taste to them. Both of them are super strong, and yeah. Until next one, everybody stay up. Everybody stay clear. Stay positive. Stay strong. Until next one. Oh, and if you guys like, subscribe, comment, whatever it is, it's always highly appreciated. I take comments, everything. You know what I'm saying? Likes, highly appreciated. Till next one, I'm out.